Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create such a composition. The only try I didn't write down was that I ticked the bloom box for the emission brightness. Keyboard display will be on screen. And so, let's start creating plane. Press tab, right click and select subdivided. Set the value to 30. Select vertex as the edge randomly, and on the other hand and same. Click here or press O, then choose random. Press G, now a circle has appeared. Use the mouse wheel to shrink the circle. Just a little more tweaking. Go to the modifiers tab and select arrange. It will allow us to repeat our object as many times as we want and specify along which axis we need. I'll set it to 20. Now create a sphere and enlarge it slightly. Bring the sphere to the edge. Need to increase more. Right click on the sphere, select Shade Smooth. Now the sphere is perfect. Select our mountains and add a wireframe modifier. Got agreed. Turn off the modifier. Copy our mountains and remove the wireframe modifier from them. Go to our first plane and turn off the modifier. Well, the composition is ready. It remains to plane and add light.